Local news for Tuesday the 11th of July. Capital Coast, Hutt and Wairarapa DHB's combined budget allocation is short by over $9 million this year. The thorough CTU health budget analysis out this week shows the raw facts of health underfunding, and that leaves the Wellington region short by at least $9 million this year alone. The New Zealand Nurses Organisation President, Grant Brooks, says NZNO assesses that to keep up with the population need, Budget 2018 would need to inject a total of $2 billion more to deliver what New Zealand and the health workforce need to be run safely and effectively. Levin has had its ultra-fast broadband connection completed, with Wairarapa on the cards for Phase 2 of the rollout. Under Phase 2 of the UFB program, fibre is being extended to Carrollton, Featherston, Greytown and Martinborough. In Masterton, 9,551 users can connect, with a 31% uptake as of March this year. Produce from the Wairarapa and Wellington regions is being used to assist families in need in Wellington. Richard Bacon of Organic Boxes says for every organic box they sell in Wellington, they give an organic box to a Wellington family struggling in these hard times. Poor food leads to poor health, which only makes a bad time worse for these guys, he says. Their produce comes from mainly growers in Wairarapa, but they also supply a fully range of certified organic eggs, milk, cheese and chicken, and store-covered grocery items. And in sport, the Dalefield women are joint leaders in the Wellington hockey competition. They scored a 5-1 victory Saturday over Victoria University and are joint leaders with Harbour City. The men also won, beating Victoria University 6-2, and Wairarapa United picked up another win in the football on Sunday, beating Napier City Rovers 3-1.